Hey everyone, Mr. Fudd here. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show us how to share a document so that somebody else can view, comment, or even edit this. So in each of our Google products, in the upper right-hand corner, there's going to be a share button. Depending on which product you happen to be using, they're going to be different colors. Like for instance, Google Docs uses blue, Slides, which is going to be my example today, is going to be yellow, or even Google Sheets is going to be a green color. So let's go ahead and click the yellow share button on this Google slide. Next, we want to go to the bottom where it says Get Link. Now, this is typically the default setting where it says restricted, only people added can then open this. So then you have to actually personally add people. But what we actually want to do is change the link so that all you have to do is send the link to somebody and then they have access to this. So at the bottom, it'll say change link to, let's go ahead and select that. The permissions should then automatically update. However, we do want to change some of the personal settings. So right now it says Lakeshore Public Schools. Let's change that. Instead, let's change it to anybody with a link. The permissions will once again update. And then we want to finalize this by changing one more thing. So we need to update what permissions or what abilities do you want to give the person. Right now it's set to viewer so that the person who you give this to, they can only view. They can't actually edit or make comments. They can do nothing except to view your product here. Let's change this to commenter. This is a good one to send if you're sharing it with like a teacher, for instance. If you happen to be working with a partner and you would like to then allow them to work on the document so that you can kind of collaborate together, then you'd want to change it to editor. But for right now, I'm going to leave it as commenter. Next, we want to copy the link. It'll say link copied. You can click done to get out of here. Now you have the link successfully copied over. Then you can go ahead and share it. So now when I open up a new tab, and I were to paste it, now I have access to this document specifically with the share settings of commenter. Please let me know if you happen to have any additional questions or you need any other assistance. Thanks very much.